Have you ever wondered about the grandeur of the ancient city of Bagan, a place where time seems to have stood still? Nestled in the heart of Myanmar, Bagan reigns as one of the world's greatest archaeological sites, teeming with cultural wealth and historical significance. It's a city that whispers tales of a bygone era, its thousands of temples and stupas stretching across the verdant plains like a testament to human perseverance and architectural prowess. Bagan's allure is often likened to the mystique of historical wonderlands like Machu Picchu and Angkor Wat. Its charm lies in its vastness, its quiet solitude, its tangible connection to a past that we can only dream of. Each temple, each structure is a piece of a puzzle, contributing to the enigma that is Bagan. So, what makes Bagan so captivating? Dive with us into the annals of history to uncover the story of this ancient city. Bagan's story begins in the 9th century under the reign of King Anarata. A leader of profound ambition and grand vision, Anarata ascended to the throne in the year 1044, marking the onset of a new era for Bagan. King Anarata is often credited as the founding father of Bagan. He was a ruler with an iron fist and a soft heart for his people. His reign was characterized by his relentless efforts to unify the diverse regions under the banner of Theravada Buddhism. This unification was far more than a political maneuver. It was a spiritual awakening that set the stage for Bagan's golden age. Anarata's devotion to Theravada Buddhism was not only deep, but also outwardly visible. Under his patronage, the construction of the first temples and pagodas began, each one a testament to his faith and a symbol of religious devotion. These structures were not mere bricks and mortar. They were the embodiment of the spiritual ideals of Theravada Buddhism, built with the sweat and toil of the devout. The temples of Bagan were not just places of worship. They were the heart and soul of the city, the epicenters of culture, education, and social life. Each temple was a beacon of faith, guiding the people of Bagan towards a path of spiritual enlightenment. The city expanded, slowly but surely, growing from a small settlement to a sprawling cityscape dotted with magnificent temples and pagodas. Each new structure added another layer to the rich tapestry of Bagan's cultural and spiritual identity. Anarata's reign laid the foundation for what would become one of the most remarkable cities in the world. His vision and leadership set the course for Bagan's evolution, transforming it into a beacon of Buddhist devotion and architectural grandeur. Thus, under the reign of King Anarata, Bagan began its journey from a small settlement to a sprawling city of temples. His legacy lives on in the city's breathtaking skyline, a testament to Bagan's ancient glory and enduring spiritual allure. After the foundation was laid, Bagan entered its golden age, an era of prosperity and architectural brilliance. This golden age spanned from the 11th to the 13th centuries, a period that saw the rise of over 10,000 Buddhist temples, pagodas, and monasteries. These magnificent structures, each one a testament to the city's flourishing cultural and spiritual life, dotted the landscape of Bagan. They transformed it into a panorama of architectural wonders, a skyline etched with the silhouette of countless sacred spires reaching for the heavens. Successive kings were instrumental in this expansion of the city. Each monarch, driven by a potent blend of piety and ambition, sought to leave their mark on the cityscape. They commissioned the construction of these religious edifices, each one grander than the last. Their reigns were chapters in a larger narrative, a tale written in stone and brick, chronicling the city's ascent to its zenith. The architectural grandeur of Bagan during this period was nothing short of breathtaking. The city was a canvas for the fusion of Mon and Indian styles of architecture. The Mon style, with its emphasis on stupa-shaped pagodas and ornate carvings, blended seamlessly with the Indian style, characterized by its towering temples and intricate frescoes. This marriage of styles birthed a unique aesthetic, one that was distinctly Bagan in its essence. Temples like the Ananda Temple, with its gilded spires and exquisite stone carvings, and the Thatbinyu Temple, soaring above the city with its imposing height, serve as enduring examples of this architectural fusion. They stand as silent sentinels to Bagan's golden age, their walls whispering tales of a time when the city was a beacon of spiritual and architectural enlightenment. Through the centuries, these structures have weathered the ravages of time, their majesty undiminished. They bear witness to a period of history when Bagan was more than just a city. It was a testament to the human spirit's quest for transcendence through faith and artistry. The golden age of Bagan left an indelible mark on the city, the remnants of which still stand tall, narrating tales of its past glory. Like all great civilizations, Bagan too had its share of trials and tribulations. The city's decline began in earnest in the 13th century with the arrival of the Mongol invasions. These fierce warriors from the north swept through Bagan, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The once thriving city began to crumble under the weight of this onslaught, its golden age a fading memory in the annals of history. But the trials of Bagan were far from over. Over the centuries, the city was subjected to the wrath of nature as well. Earthquakes, those unpredictable and devastating natural disasters, shook the foundations of the city. They caused further damage to the already fragile structures, hastening the city's descent into oblivion. But, ladies and gentlemen, here's where the story takes a turn. The fall of Bagan was not the end, but rather a new beginning. The city, once a symbol of power and prestige, found a new identity in the centuries that followed its decline. It transitioned into a site of archaeological significance, a treasure trove of history waiting to be discovered and preserved. In the hands of archaeologists and historians, the city began to reveal its secrets, its stories etched in the weathered stones of its temples. Bagan became a site of pilgrimage, not just for the spiritually inclined, but for those drawn by its historical allure. Tourists from around the world began to flock to the city, eager to witness firsthand the remnants of a bygone era. The culmination of Bagan's rebirth came in 2019, when it was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This prestigious recognition affirmed Bagan's significance, not just in Myanmar's history, but in the tapestry of global heritage. Though Bagan fell, it rose again, not as a bustling city, but as a silent sentinel of history, a testament to the human spirit's resilience. Bagan's tale is a poignant reminder of the ebb and flow of civilizations. This ancient city, nestled in the heart of Myanmar, was once a bustling metropolis, a beacon of economic and cultural prosperity. Its birth, led by King Anarata, heralded the dawn of a golden age, an era marked by growth, artistic brilliance, and religious fervor. Yet, like all great cities, Bagan too experienced a period of decline, a fading into obscurity. However, its story did not end there. Bagan underwent a rebirth, a resurgence that breathed new life into its weathered temples and pagodas. Today it stands proudly as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its enduring significance in world history. As we marvel at Bagan's ancient temples and pagodas, we're not just witnessing remnants of a bygone era, but a living testament to human faith, resilience, and creativity. Bagan indeed is a book where every stone tells a story,